Hey guys, it's Jess here. I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I wanted to discuss how you can actually stack your engagement on all of your ads. You may have scrolled through Facebook newsfeed or the Instagram newsfeed and seen some ads come up, and it looks like that there are no likes, comments, shares, anything on any of the posts. Now you may be thinking to yourself, but likes, comments, and shares, they don't mean that much. They're just vanity metrics. And to be honest, you're right. They don't mean as much because at the end of the day, likes, comments, and shares don't equal sales or leads or anything like that. However, it is really handy to build that credibility for your brand. So if you're currently using Ads Manager for your business and you're promoting different services or products and you're actually running ads right now to different target audiences, then stay tuned because this actually might help you, particularly if you're wanting to stack engagement up on your ads so that you can build that credibility and that trust with people.
Okay, so we're on Ads Manager right now, and as you can see here, I've created an example campaign to use. And if I click on the drop-down menu, you can see I've got an example target audience number 1 and then the ad number 1 within this target audience. Now, the whole purpose behind doing this is if we want to duplicate this audience here and have another target audience, but we want this ad here, ad number 2, to actually be the exact same ad as ad number 1. So this is the whole purpose that we're wanting to do here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to jump into ad number 1 here, and we're going to pretend to set up an ad. So let's just put in, hey, I'm Jess, testing ad creators. Just as an example here for you, we're going to write down you're awesome, and then a description here of no, seriously, you are. Okay, so this is just an example. Obviously, let's put people to my website. And then all we need now is just an image. So we'll pick an image from here. So let's use this one here. And that is going to pop up there. Awesome. So this is just our example ad. So what we want is we want this ad to be shown to all of our target audiences and all of the likes, comments, and shares to be stacked up onto the one ad rather than having a separate ad to target audience 1, target audience 2, and so on. What we want to do is we want to go review and publish, but we want to only review the ad number 1. So that first ad there, that's all we want to do. So we're going to get rid of publishing the other ad sets, and we're only going to publish the ad set of target audience 1 and ad number 1. So we're going to publish this now. Perfect. So now target audience 1 and ad 1 are published and they're scheduled and in review. And we've still got target audience 2 and ad number 2 in drafts. And this is exactly what we want. So in a new tab, I want you to open up page posts, which I've opened up earlier here. And you're going to refresh this page and click on the ads tab. Great. And as you can see here, this ad up here is the new one that we've just put together and published for that ad number 1. So click on it and make sure that the preview is exactly what you want. And as you can see here, this is the ad that we've just created. So from here, what we want to do is actually copy and paste this post ID, because every single ad or post that you publish gets a brand new post ID, every single one of them. So the thing is, if we just go back to our ads manager, if we just went through and created ad after ad after ad or duplicated the ad sets and actually had all of the ads having the same thing, but we published them separately, and this was a brand new post under the create ad section, all of these would have a brand new ad ID when we press publish. So it would have a brand new ID. What this means is that our engagement wouldn't be stacking up. So what we want to do instead is in all of the other ads, if we want the ad to be the same for all the target audiences and the engagement to stack up, we want to click on ad setup and then click use existing post. Underneath here, you can see enter post ID, and that's where you want to copy and paste that post ID. And you'll see there that it's going to drag that exact same ad with the exact same ad ID right here, so that all of those likes and comments are going to add up in the one spot. And now, if you wanted to go and to create more and more target audiences, what you could do from there is actually go and duplicate target audience number 2 and create target audience number 3. And then ad number 3, which is within target audience number 3, would then also have the existing post already. But if you went and duplicated target audience 1, because ad number 1 is a create ad, it's a brand new ad, it would actually then go and create a brand new post ID again. So what you want to be doing is, if you're wanting to stack up engagement on all of the ads and all of the target audiences can see the same ad, then what you want to do is actually publish one of them and then copy and paste the ID across into the other one. So then once you've finished doing all of your target audiences and setting up your campaign perfectly, duplicating all of the ad sets and then actually copying and pasting the ID in, then you can go review and publish the rest of them. And then that will actually stack up all of your ad engagement into the one ad.
And there you go. You can easily be copying and pasting that post ID of that ad so that you can stack up engagement on the single post rather than having a million different ads floating around in ad space on Facebook and not really stacking up the engagement on the same post. So hopefully this helps and you'll be able to remember this next time you're creating a standard carousel or single post ad.